Wait, what? That's not my baby! Yes, it's your baby. Take it! I only want my perfect BMW. Audi don't belong in this family. Oh my God, someone left this Audi baby here. We are taking it with us.
Of course, Lovehead. I don't understand how people can be so mean.
Hey, little Audi. You are safe now. You are our baby now.
Hey, little one. We are gonna make you match us.
You are part of our family now.
It's your first day at school.
Study well and make us proud.
Kick it over here. I got it. Wait, what is that? It's raining. How is this possible? I'm Audi. You lied to me my whole life, faking me as Porsche.
Son, I will explain everything now.
You are my BMW parents. You left me in the trash. I will take my revenge.